Wow, high time and look up to our down in the plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thousand relax. 7, high time plane. Raise your hands up. First, right hand down, left hand over your head. Inhale, center, exhale, change your side. Keep out, center, Hasana, right side. Inhale, center, exhale, left side. Last 2 times, inhale, center, exhale, right side. Inhale, center, exhale, left side. Last one, inhale, center, exhale, right side and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center, exhale, left side and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Again, same. High time and raise your hands up, palms together. Inhale, center, exhale, right side. Stress the weight to the right side down. Inhale, center, exhale, left side, again down. Inhale, center, exhale, right side, down. Inhale, center, exhale, left side, down. Inhale, center, exhale, right side, down. Inhale, center, exhale, left side, down. Nice. Inhale, exhale, right side, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale, left side, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Come center, nice. Same position. Just hand side of the body. First, right hand down, left hand over your head. Inhale, center, exhale, left hand down, right hand over your head. Nice stretch. Inhale, center, exhale, right side, down. Inhale, center, exhale, left side, down. Nice. Inhale, center, exhale, right side, down. Inhale, exhale, left side. The last one, inhale, exhale, right side and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale, left side and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Hand side of the body. Same side. Turn to your right side and finally back. Hip, center, left side, back. Inhale, exhale, right side, back. Inhale, exhale, left side, back. Inhale, exhale, right side, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale, left side, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Come center, center. Inhale, exhale, right side, right again. Hip, half, left side, right again. Inhale, exhale, right side, right again. Up. Inhale, exhale, left side, right again. Up. Inhale, exhale, right side, right again. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale, left side, right again. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Same. Raise your hands up. One more time. Center. Turn your right side. High thighs one. Catch your hip. Down. Hip ball center. Outside left side. Inhale center. Exhale right side. Inhale center. Exhale left side. Last 2 times. Inhale center. Exhale right side and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same position. Hand back side. Inhale center. Exhale turn your right side as much as possible. Get into it down. Inhale center. Exhale left side turn. Inhale center. Exhale right side down. Body straight. Body straight. Inhale center. Exhale left side down. Body straight. Inhale, exhale, right side down. Inhale, exhale, left side down. Inhale, exhale, right side down. Inhale, exhale, left side down. The last one, inhale, exhale, right side down. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Inhale, exhale, left side down. 1, 2, 3, silent, 4. Good. Raise your hands up. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now slowly bend your body left side first. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, exhale, right side down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now one more time. Twist. Look front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, exhale, change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now slowly rotate your hand first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs together. Inhale, raise your hands up and go back like Simon. Exhale, come from forward bending. High thigh, side of the body up. Inhale, up like maximum. Thasa, Dasu, high thigh leg up. Hip ball, go back maximum. Thasa, Dasu, high thigh, side of the body up. Inhale, go back maximum. Exhale, come front. Inhale, go back maximum. Exhale, come front. Inhale, go back maximum. Exhale, come front. The last one, inhale, go back maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, come front. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. One step, open your leg outside the mat. High thigh, back side. And go back maximum. As much as possible, down and up there. Go back maximum. Very good. High thigh soon. Catch your ankle now soon. Good. Inhale, go back maximum. Outside, high thigh soon. Catch your ankle now soon. Inhale, go back maximum. Exhale, come forward. Forward bending. Very nice. Okay. Inhale, go back maximum. 1. Thumbs up, high thighs. Catch your ankle down. Good. Hip, go back maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thumbs up, high thighs. Catch your ankle down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, same position, come to zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right hand sit, right hand leg. Now, right up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sit, change your side. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Come on. Relax. High thigh, over your waist. And slowly rotate your hip joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Follow me. First, right leg up, jump forward. Thumbs up, jump right, jump. Hip bowing. Thumbs up, jump. Inhale up, exhale, front. Inhale up, exhale, front. The last one, inhale up, and length. 1, 2, 3. Thumbs up, jump. 1, 2, 3. For the right leg rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change sensation. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Simpson, change your leg. Left leg up and up, length. Exhale, front. Hip bow leg. Thumbs up, front. Inhale up. Exhale, front. Inhale up. Exhale, front. Good. Inhale up. Exhale, front and stay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One step open your leg. Both hands from side. Follow. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Twist your spine. Good. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Nice. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Down. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Down. The last one. Inhale. right side. High dive, and raise your hands up. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Good job. High dive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Relax. Now first right leg, jump high, leg come center. Namaste and Mamsu. Yeah. 1, Mamsu, big down. 1, 2, 3, 4. High dive, back side. Interlock your finger. High dive in. Now so keep balance. 1, 2, 3. High dive swing. High dive swing. Same set. 1. Now swing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Very good. Nice. Come on. Change your side, Samson. Jump child in. Lift it up over your thigh. Both palms over your chest. Hip down. Come to the chair pose. Turn. Nice. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. High dive back side. Interlock your finger. High dive lane. 1, 2, 3. High dive swan. Dive swan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Okay. Just catch your knees and slowly rotate your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Same. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.